boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with the scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to always be there with you, my friends, and to get you the information and the research that you really need. I believe I have some great information for you today. Stay tuned, my friends. You want to listen to every minute of this show. As you guys know, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can get the books from any library in the world. You can also get the books from any bookstore in the world, my friends. Go to your local library and tell her, hey, order those Mickey D books, and she'll order them, or he'll order them for you free, and you can get them. Books like, How to Start a Marijuana Investment Club, my friends. Books like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks. A lot of books out there, my friends. You can choose from whatever your heart desires out there, my friends. My friends, some great information for you today. Our research department has been working hard. As one of the subscribers said a while back, said, Mickey D, you're light years ahead of what's going on out there and stuff. And they really appreciate it. We've got people, Railworks Project, he loves these baby knockouts and stuff. He's been with me for a couple years. He's been with me for, since things really were rolling and stuff, marijuana stocks early on. He's made some good money. But like everyone, like a lot of people, he likes starting low, because when you have these low risk, high reward possibilities, my friends, it's really good, heartwarming to me to see you grab a stock at a penny and it goes up to a lot of money. Like I said, this is my first project, my friends. This is my first rodeo ride. Back in the 90s with AOL going at under a quarter to over $50. That was a beautiful hit, my friends. That really started off my baby knockout career, and I've been doing it ever since, my friends. Especially when you have hot markets like we had here with the marijuana market here for a while. But my friends, I can report to you today that there's not a bull in the marijuana market to be found. You can open the door, you can open the curtains. I get the light looking out. There's not a bull anywhere. It's a bear market. We're entering the second year of a bear market, my friends. That's not what you want. These stocks, and I'm going to give them to you right now. Thank you, McKinsey. You messed around with that paper math, that form. You must be a mathematician. Great job. I like that stuff. I'll be sharing some of that stuff with the community as time goes on, because you did a wonderful job. Thank you very, very much. Scott Norris, longtime subscriber in San Diego. Scott, he says he's getting out of marijuana stocks. He's had enough. He's lost 10 grand. He said, forget it, Mickey D. I'm out of here. We're going to go through other areas and stuff. So you'll be, reconsider that, and a lot of people are thinking that way, though, because they haven't been listening to the scoop. So they've been listening to the other people say, oh, it's a great market. Oh, they're coming back. They're coming back. Everybody's coming back. Everybody's coming back. Well, they've all changed their tune now, right? We've been telling you it's a bear market forever. So, what's happening right now, my friends? The coronavirus raising havoc on corporate America. T-Mobile, Sprint, big deal in America. We'll see how that goes. But my friends, what people are going to be talking about today are not only the two stocks we're getting ready to talk about, HIVE Blockchain and OWCP. I got breaking new information on OWCP. You really want to stand by for that, my friends. Breaking news here, and you may consider things a little differently here in a second. But Mad Max Cherney at Market Watch columnist, good guy. I'm telling you, he is saying, he's got a story out today. Pot companies have months to live on average. What he's saying basically is U.S. companies have about a year, and Canadian companies have about 6 months or so of cash on hand, what have you. Canopy, Aurora, Tilray, we know all these companies have a lot of debt and stuff right now. But as long as they don't use consultants of like MedMen and T-God and Hexo, they'll be all right. So let this thing play out, my friends. But as you guys know, you Scoop subscribers, you know that. because I go to the conferences and I go to the expos and everything, and I was at the MJ BizCon. And what did I tell you the underlying talk was at MJ BizCon? Do you guys remember that video? I told you what was under the hood at MJ BizCon. People were talking about how in the heck are we going to get out of this situation? And I brought the story to you that, hey, the bankruptcy courts were turning these guys down left and right. You couldn't file bankruptcy in America. I told you guys that. And these guys have, when the money runs out, when the song is over and you have no place to sit on no chair, dude, you're gone, you're out. And that's basically his story. That some of these companies are running out of money and they're on their last leg. And you guys know that. I've been talking about companies that are going to zero, companies that are going under, the zero graveyard we've talked about. It's all full. I mean, I can come on here every day and give you 5, 10 companies that are going to zero. The graveyard is full. The people, you remember? Guys say, oh, there'll only be 10 to 20 companies left. Guys, who does he think he is in America? We don't even know. We're in Canada, we have 500 companies. And we're here and we're there, we have all these companies. What does he mean there's only going to be 5 or 10? That's all there's going to be when this thing is said and done, guys. Been there, done that. It's called the internet. First on board. First, some of these... Never mind. I don't want to get into that, my friends. But anyway... let's talk a minute here about the MJ BizCon and what it'll throw me off course. You guys know I don't remake these things. So if I say something out of line, like if I say, oftentimes I'll refer to Canopy Growth, and I'll say at $1.05, and you guys know I can only be talking about Canopy Rivers, right? I would be talking about Canopy Growth, right? That's a $20 stock. I do stuff like that all the time, but never mind that. Check it out, my friends. I'm going to break protocol here a little bit. I'm going to break protocol. And I'm going to do something that I told you guys I would not do. Now, that's with OWCP. I'm getting ready to tell you something I would not do. First, let me tell you about HIVE blockchain. HIVE blockchain, my friends, the world knows about HIVE blockchain now. As you know, on January 18th, Martin Luther King weekend, I did a video. 2 new baby knockouts ready to explode. 2 new baby knockouts ready to explode. This was 3 weeks ago, my friends. This was Martin Luther King Day weekend. And subsequently, I've done maybe 3 or 4 shows talking about. And in fact, this past Sunday, a couple days ago, broke protocol again and did a show on Sunday. Never do shows on Sunday. But I felt the need to do a show and tell you about HIVE blockchain and the momentum it was getting, not picking up over Germany, United States, Canada. It's picking up momentum all over the world, my friends. And the stock is going to go much higher. So you guys, Reese and all the guys that bought in, Izzy, all you guys that bought in at 19 cents and 20 cents and you thought you were late, you guys are just getting started. It's not late, because as long as Bitcoin stays above, which is the #1 cryptocurrency, Bitcoin stays above 10,000. And oftentimes I'll come out and I'll say as long as Bitcoin stays above 10. So you guys know I'm talking about 10,000. As long as Ethereum stays above 200. I'll say 200 for that one. Just for future reference, my friends. If Ethereum stays above 2, you're going to be okay with HIVE blockchain. Write it out. Write it out. Troy, you made a brilliant trade, man. You're up over 200%. Don't be greedy, man. What's the old saying? Bulls make money, bears make money, hogs get slaughtered. And we're not going to be a hog or a pig or anything like that. That's perfectly good. You're riding it now. You're riding with 6,000-8,000 shares. Just ride it out, my friend. Just ride it out. You've done an outstanding job. If it goes down again, get some more. Because the fundamental, the overall story, the technical story on these cryptocurrencies right now is great. So we just ride it out. Ride it out. They've gone down. Bitcoin has gone down. It's gone back up. Down, back up. What have you. That 10,000, as long as we stay above that, everything's going to be all right. The world's going to be all right. But we did that on that Martin Luther King show. And now it seems like the world has caught on. So everybody knows now that HIVE blockchain is out there doing its thing. Yes, Troy, you gave me that other. There's another company out there that we're looking at. That business blockchain company that we're looking at. Looks like the blockchain is catching on again. But we have the horse in the race that's going to be a super winner, and McKinsey has proven that. So we do have a horse that's a winner in our community, and we will stick with that winner, and we will be loyal to that winner as long as it's winning, I guess, you know. My friends, the other information I wanted to be is timely as right now, my friends. This information on OWC Pharmaceuticals, OWCP. My friends, as you know, OWCP we picked up at a penny or under a penny, and it went up to over about 15 cents or so. And then I gave the word that it was going to come down and it was going to test that gap. So it was going to come down. Here we go. Here's what we've been working on. That gap right there at 3. See, it was up right there. Our indicator flipped on us. That magic indicator flipped on us. And we went back down. And we're going to test that 3 area, my friends. So I do believe we're going to test that area. But I am breaking protocol. Listen up. Mickey D is breaking protocol. I am going to start accumulating OWCP, and that's just me. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a stockbroker. I am going to start picking up OWCP, and I did a little bit today, at under 5 cents. Anytime it goes under 5 cents. Why, Mickey D? Why are you breaking protocol? Why are you doing this to us? Man, don't do this. Wait till it goes down and fills that gap. I have some new information for you, my friends. New information. As you know, psoriasis, for the skin and stuff, they have a patent approved to do skin. Now, they're zeroing in, as this little company, these Israeli companies can do, these research companies can do. They're zeroing in on helping psoriasis patients. Okay, skin dis. I have a family member so I'm kind of interested in what's going on here. So I'd like to get some of their stuff to help my family member. So, my friends, their patent, and this is unconfirmed information. Unconfirmed information, my friends. Take it for what you want. But our research team, we have reason to believe that their psoriasis patent was approved. The application is ready to be issued, and the fee has been paid. Now, this is information that we pretty much got over the weekend or what have you, and we're kind of looking, the last 24, 48 hours, and we're kind of looking to confirm that. Now, that's the information out there right now, and that's the information that we pretty much believe to be accurate. Now, if that is so, and we believe that, from the Cannabis World Congress and Business Expo in Los Angeles, the skins, the lotions and all that were pretty big down there. That is something that we believe will go very far for OWCP. They have something out there that can help someone that has a skin condition, a medical skin condition. No, it's not FDA approval, my friends. It's just a patent to do what they need to do, to get their product out there and say, hey, we've done some tests, and hey, this helps, and maybe they can, it's a topical. It's nothing in your body, nothing. It's a topical we're talking about. So it's not the tablet, it's the topical. So with that said, my friends, we believe that accumulating OWCP at under 5 cents may be a prudent and wise thing to do at this particular time. Now, let's break protocol. Let's break protocol, because we don't expect them to come up with an announcement until the end of March, when they do their annual report. They can save all those goodies that they have that they could release right now to us shareholders. They could save all those goodies for their annual report. Now, sticking with their time frame of when they release press releases, they're due. They're due here in the next 10 days or so to release something. Will they? Probably not. They're going to sit on their hands. If they do release something, that window at under 5 cents will probably close. And depending on the information, it may close forever. That's the way it is. That's just the risk you take, my friends. Or they can come out with information and say, hey, this stuff doesn't work. It never will work. And we're going to have to go back to the drawing board, and the stock can go back down to zero. That's part of the risk, my friends. Low risk, but you have a high reward. That's what we're about here on The Scoop, my friends. Low risk and high reward. That's what you have in OWCP right now. And in HIVE blockchain right now, you have a low risk, high reward play. And that's what we do. Just like back in the day, my friends, with AOL, America Online. 25 cents. There's going to be these letters coming through the air, and they'll land on your computer. And no, there's no talk about no phone or anything. They'll land on your desktop. No laptops. What are you talking about, laptop? They'll land on your desktop computer, and you'll be able to get your mail from the, it was a concept that was foreign. A lot of that right now, cannabis, psoriasis, you mean I can get better skin, or it can heal my skin if I take this? Wait a minute. You mean I'll be able to just, with the blockchain, I'll be able to just do this? It'll be easier than the last contracts you've ever signed, these smart deals, or will be, people can't see this. What we'll be using a different, what's it, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, what's blockchain, what's all this stuff about? We'll be able to use this to pay this. We'll be able to wallets, bank account. You mean I don't have to go to Wells Fargo anymore, or Chase, or I don't have, people can't see it right now, but it's right around the corner, my friends, right around the corner. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board right over here, my friends. That red button right there. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Let me know you feeling the scoop, man. Dude, Mickey D is not getting touched enough. You got to get touched, man. You got to touch. I might go outside and touch somebody because I need to be touched. Give me a thumbs up, man. Let me know you out there. Let me know you out there. Let me know what's up. Give me something, man. You making some money. If you getting paid, you getting broken off, let a brother know what time it is. If you done made 5,000, you done made 10,000. I don't call it, when you're doing it, it ain't bragging. When you're doing it, it ain't bragging. So, I know when we load it up on HIVE blockchain at under 10 cents, I know y'all loaded up with me. Some of y'all in at 10, 12, 15 cents. Like I was saying, Reese, a couple guys were saying, Mickey D, we're late. Oh man, I'm so scared. I'm getting in at 19 cents. Mickey D, I'm in at 15 cents. This is crazy. I am too late, man. I should have loaded up when you guys load. Well, all of November, all of December, damn near all of January. Wasn't it under 10 cents? 7, 8, 10 cents for months. And, we do our work. We take a look at it. When it's ready to explode, that's when we let you know. That's when we let you know, when it's ready to explode. Just like we're doing right now with OWCP. If the information, if the scoop, if you believe, my friends, if you believe the research, then you're way ahead of the game. I mean, you're in IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. It's over $90 now. We got in it at a teenager when it was 17, 18. That's when we accumulated it. Hundreds of shares. And it went up to $140. Just think. What could, I don't even want to think. These two baby knockouts, I don't even want to think what they could do, my friends. But anyway, God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Hit that button too, because I don't want you to be late. Hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell, because I don't want you guys to be late on some of this stuff. Because some of these are trades, my friends. These are not investments yet. These are just trades. So we have to be in them, in it to win it, and we have to do our thing, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You have a great, great day. Hope you enjoy some of that sun like I am today. God bless you. Take care.